Hey guys, this is Tech Racer and welcome to the channel, and I am making this type of video after a very long time, so really sorry for that guys. And today we're going to review basically the Earbuds S, which were launched by Xiaomi in India a couple of days ago. And I have been using these Redmi AirDots from past 10 months approximately. So we are going to basically re-review these or the Earbuds S after 10 months of usage. And if you want to watch the final review video of these, you can just go to the I button in this video and watch that video as well. So without any further delay, let's get started. And guys, as I told you, I bought this 10 months ago from Banggood, and those were imported from China. But the pricing of these in China is officially 99 yuan, which is approximately 1000 or 1100 Indian rupees. But considering the price of 1800 rupees, first of all we'll talk about the build quality of these TWS type of earbuds. As you can see, both of these comes with this type of case, and the entire construction is made up of plastic, so we do not have any metal accents in it. And again, I won't complain for that because the quality of plastic is pretty good. Although it just starts to wobble after quite a bit of usage, but I use this quite roughly. But again, both the AirDots are again constructed in plastics, and the build quality of both of these is quite good. As you can see, the entire case is also made up of nice plastic, and as you know that these are TWS type of earphones, so they are completely wireless and works over the Bluetooth 5.0 and can be connected with multiple devices at the same time. I have connected mostly 2 devices with these, and those were completely fine, so I do not have any issues. Again, the network connectivity is quite good. And if you talk about the battery life of these earphones, then you can easily get around 2.5 hours to 3 hours of playback, audio playback at full volume without any issues. And once you charge this case completely, you can charge these earphones at least 3 times, as I have noticed in my usage. So cumulatively you can use it for 8 hours according to my usage. So again, that's pretty nice thing for any TWS earphones. So again, kudos to Xiaomi for that. Now if we talk about the comfort of these earphones, then they fit completely fine within your ears, and we do get some extra ear tips inside the box as well. So do not have any issues with that because the default one fits perfectly in my ear, and the fit is again completely fine. As you can see, that won't come off my ears even after a vigorous shaking. But again, very good comfort for the price that you are paying, and these do not have any active noise cancellation, so it will be isolated only through these rubber ear tips. Now if we talk about the features, both of these earphones have a physical tactile buttons on them and a physical LEDs on both of them to indicate whether the Bluetooth device is paired or not. So again, that's pretty nice thing. We can use this button to simply pause or play the song, and nothing more than that. And if you just press and hold, it will launch the Google Assistant and things like that. Now if we talk about the charging time of these earphones, they can be easily charged within 30 to 35 minutes as per my usage. And you have to simply put this into this case, and it is a magnetic case, so they will be fit perfectly within the case, as you can see. And the red color LED will glow when they are charging, and once they are completely charged, they will turn off automatically. And the best thing about this is that once you take these out from the case, it will be automatically paired with your device if your device is Bluetooth is turned on. So again, that's pretty nice thing. And again, if you just take out both, they will first pair with each other, and then it will be paired with your phone. Now it's time to talk about the audio quality of these earphones. So according to me, they sound awesome. And again, the mids and highs are pretty good, and if you are a bass lover, then these earphones provide a very good amount of bass, and even the vocals are pretty good. So if you are a person who likes to watch a lot of movies or a vocal content or podcast, then these are very good for you, because all the lows and mids vocals can be easily heard using this. So again, that's pretty nice thing. So guys, now it's a time of final verdict. So should you guys buy these earphones at 1800 rupees? So first of all, 1800 rupees is quite high or overpriced for these earphones. You can easily get it for 1300 rupees as I got from the Banggood. But again, considering the fact that they are TWS and there is no nearby competitor for these earphones, so again, because of audio quality, I am recommending these. So if you are on a tight budget of around 1500 to 1600 rupees, then you can surely get these if you want TWS earphones. But if you are okay with the Bluetooth earphones with neckband, then I would recommend you to go with the OnePlus Z Bullets. Those will be much better than these. As I haven't used them, so I can't comment about the audio quality of those. But again, that would be a better deal for you. But if you want TWS at the price of 1800 or around 1800, then these would be the very good deal for you. Again, just wait for some while. If you get it a bit lower within a sale, then that would be a very awesome deal for you. So this is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.